It's the ability to combine all your data to fuel, the insights which are ultimately produced by AI and ML systems. So, but that said, we're in the early innings, right? Which is what makes us, on one hand, makes us tremendously excited about the opportunity that lies ahead over the next n number of years. But at the same time, there's tremendous confusion in the market. It's kind of like in the early days of the internet. People thought the internet was the kind of cure all for everything, and teleportation, and people would smell things through the internet. And maybe you see a little bit of this in crypto as well, by the way, where it's like what use case is not possible with crypto. It's sort of like so there's a lot of confusion. And one of our competitive advantages at Omega, very fortunately, is that when I launched Omega, I launched it with two partners who are nationally renowned subject matter experts affiliated with MIT, I've had a long collaboration history with. We really took the time to study this market in great detail before we started Omega, to find the sweet spot of where we would be able to generate asymmetric returns for our investors. And I'd also note that in doing so, right, our focus led us towards these practical applications in the business applications of AI, like FeedZai, that are addressing real problems with real quantifiable results, and doing so at unbelievable, massive scale. So that's first and foremost. I mean, today when I look at the market as a whole, there continues to be tremendous misunderstanding about the capabilities and limitations of AI. I think it is fair to say, we've now invested in 9 companies in Omega just since we launched the fund in November of last year, just before Thanksgiving, and 2 warehouse investments, and have been fortunate to see tremendous traction with those companies, including present company included. And as a result, I think it's fair to say that this is one of our unfair advantages in the market, that our ability to have a deeper level of insight into what is feasible. The number one mistake technology investors make is investing too far ahead of the market. And so that's one of the things we try to avoid by being aware of where the market is, and where that sweet spot of technological viability and commercial feasibility intersect.